How to enable or disable keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and select the clip you want to work with on the timeline. Next, go to the inspector panel on the right side of the screen. If you don't see the inspector, click the inspector button at the top right to reveal it. Then, scroll through the inspector to find the parameters you want to animate, such as zoom, position, or opacity. To enable keyframes for any parameter, click the small diamond icon next to it. When the diamond turns red, it means keyframes are active for that property. After enabling keyframes, you can move the playhead to a different point on the timeline and adjust the parameter. DaVinci Resolve will automatically create the new keyframe at that position, allowing you to create smooth transitions. If you want to disable keyframes, simply click the red diamond icon again and it will turn grey, which means keyframing is turned off for that property. Be aware that disabling keyframes will remove all the keyframes set on that parameter. Additionally, if you want to delete individual keyframes, click the diamond icon to navigate through keyframes and press Delete key on your keyboard. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.